You might think that boosting a post will solve all your problems on Instagram, but it's actually the opposite. It will just create more. Hello, my name is Meg. Running ads on Instagram isn't a bad thing. It's actually quite effective, but only if done in the right way at the right time. And all of you watching this shouldn't do it by boosting a post. That blue button which says boost post is so tempting to push, and I gave in a couple of times. Actually, more than a couple of times. And from that experience, I can tell you that it's a waste of money, time, and effort, period. I will break it down. That boost button, it's there on every single post. It stands out because Instagram makes it so. They want you to press it and spend money. Sometimes you even get a notification saying this post is performing well, so why not give it a boost and reach more people? Or here's some ad credit you can use to promote, and I fell for it. I boosted and promoted a lot of posts on my old account, and I really wish I hadn't. One of the reasons I deleted that account was because I boosted so many posts. So many creators do it and suffer from it, and I don't want you to go through that. Yes, we see ads all the time, but businesses who run proper ads have a strategy and a clear goal, and they do it as a campaign, like long-term wise. They don't boost and promote just one single post. Using Facebook ads are fine. I'm not saying that is wrong. I'm just saying you should never boost and promote one post at a time, because that's not a strategy. Yes, if you boost a post, you will get new followers because you're getting in front of new people. You're basically paying for that. And the more exposure, the more people you get in front of, the more likely you will get followers. That's just how it is on Instagram. But guess what? Those people who followed you won't stay. A quick, easy trick will give you quick results, but not long-term results. People will follow you out of curiosity, but then quickly realize that they're not interested and will unfollow you. Even if they stay following you only because they can't be bothered to unfollow, they don't care about your content and they won't engage because they're not your ideal follower. This is because the targeting of boosted posts are just so small and limited. It's really easy to boost a post. It can be done in about a minute, but because it's so easy, you have limited control of who Instagram shows the boosted post to. First of all, you have a limited number of goals to choose from. So let me ask you a question. What do you actually want from boosting and promoting a post? Do you want more likes, or do you want to get people to click the link in your bio and perhaps generate sales? You see, you can only achieve one of them when you boost a post. When you boost a post, Instagram will ask you to define the goal for the promotion. The options include more profile visits, more website visits, or more messages. That's it. If all you want is vanity metrics, this is fine, but if you want conversions other than likes, you just can't get it. These options are not enough. Next, you might choose to target your promoted post based on location, interests, age and gender, but again, that's all the options you have. Yes, you are going to be reaching new people, but these people are too broad. Even Instagram says that it will be a broad audience. You can't reach your ideal follower, and if you're not reaching your targeted audience, the people you actually want to get in front of, you can't say it's a successful promotion. And you can only reach one audience at a time. Yes, you can create your audience based on a few key demographic options, but you can't duplicate the post and promote it to different audiences. For example, you can't see if your post got more engagement from women versus men, or people in their 20s versus people in their 30s. This is called split testing or the A/B testing, and if you only put out one ad, you have no way to discover which parts of the ad your audience resonated with and which parts weren't so good. You won't get enough data to improve anything. If it didn't go well, you won't know why, and you will make the same mistakes over and over again. Even if it goes well, you won't know why, so you can't replicate it for the next time. Results will vary too. Just like any post you post on Instagram, there's no guarantee that the results from your promoted post will live up to your expectations. Even if you want 100 likes in an hour, no one can promise that to you. Just because you spent money on it, it doesn't mean that it will perform well. It's basically gambling. And you will keep paying until you get good results, which actually just isn't achievable by boosting one post. And once you stop seeing that notification that so many people liked your post or followed you, you get unmotivated. You want to see those notifications again, so you boost a post again, and the cycle keeps going. As soon as you start the promotion, notifications come in. As soon as the promotion period ends, the notifications stop coming. It's never ending. And if you keep doing this, you will post anything and everything, probably something that doesn't hold any value to people because you know that you can just boost it and get quick Instagram. You won't create content that your existing followers enjoy, so they will probably stop engaging too. And boosted posts say sponsored on the top left of each post, and if that is all they see, your followers will get sick and tired of it. They will stop engaging and they will eventually unfollow. You also won't know what your audience truly enjoys from you because you're making the results happen by yourself. You will never see organic growth because you're just buying growth. It also becomes an expensive habit. You might think, well, it's only $5, but do it 10 times and that's already $50. When you boost one post, trust me, you can't and won't stop there. You will do it to another and another and another. And it all adds up and you will be like, I spent way too much money. And for what? Instant gratification, that's all. No connections, no leads, no sales, nothing. And guess what? With organic strategy, you will get more results, more reach, more followers, and more likes than the posts you boosted and promoted, and you will get it for free. I probably spent $1,000 altogether on boosting posts, and I really didn't get anything out of it. I got new followers who I lost quickly. The ones who stayed, I never saw in my notifications again, and the people who were already following me stopped engaging. I basically just threw my money away. So I stopped boosting, basically made a new account, concentrated on the quality and value of each post, and now I get a lot of reach from posting without boosting. And to be honest, if you're not a business selling products, there's no reason or point to promote. You probably don't have an organic strategy yet, so it's pointless and a waste of money to spend on ads anyway. Once you achieve an organic strategy, hire someone to do the ads for you, and I mean ads, not boosting. I hope this video convinced you not to boost posts on Instagram, and if I missed anything, please ask me in the comments below. And if you want to grow on Instagram organically, I do have videos that you would probably find helpful. Just click the screen right now. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Happy growing. Bye.